Myntri Rangbahm Akynduh Conrad Sangma ulong bakanumdan shuh jingiakynduh hapdeng Meghalaya Assam Jingiapynbeit Halor Port Assam namar kine ki artylli jylla ladep iapynbeit tarik bnai bala Habaikran bikinong thok khobor hakashitarik berempang aja arpo Conrad ulong bakabasa menta kalong jingiakynduh baru Myntri Korpari jong Sorkar India Amit Shah Jingiapynbeit khadu Halor jingiashim bajia ki hindutli jaka kumbala iapynbeit hapdeng Meghalaya Assam.
So when we had met the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, we have resolved and we have kind of come to a understanding on the 6 locations. So after all those meetings we had, when we went through the reports, we saw that some areas need to be ironed up, and that's why we had the meeting on the 29th. But after that meeting on the 29th, which lasted for a very long time, and in fact last minute visits were made to certain locations, we have finally managed to resolve and agree on certain parameters in those areas also. And now we will not need to have any further meetings with the government of Assam. The next meeting will be with the government of India, and we will be waiting for the government of India to call us to finally come to a formal conclusion to the discussions on the border issue for 6 areas.